Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Feem for seamless file transfers. First, you'll need to download and install the Feem application on every device you plan to use, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, simply connect all your devices to the same local Wi-Fi network. Feem will then automatically detect and display them, often with fun, random names. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to share files in just a few moments. To send files, first launch the Feem application on both your sending and receiving devices. On the sending device, you'll see a list of available devices on your network. Simply tap or click on the name of the device you want to send files to. This will open a new screen where you can easily select the specific files or even entire folders you wish to transfer. After making your selections, just hit the Send button to start the process. Receiving files with Feem is effortless. The destination device automatically accepts transfers once initiated. A fantastic feature is resumable transfers, meaning if your connection is interrupted, the transfer will pick up right where it left off, saving you time. Additionally, Feem supports full duplex mode, allowing you to send and receive files simultaneously. This boosts productivity, especially when managing multiple transfers or working in a busy environment. Feem offers significant benefits, including complete offline functionality, meaning no internet or cloud servers are involved. This ensures your privacy and keeps your data local. For security, all transfers are encrypted using TLS, the same protocol used for secure websites. You'll also appreciate the incredible speed. Feem is up to 50 times faster than Bluetooth and twice as fast as many cloud services, with absolutely no limits on file size or quantity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.